Hey, welcome back everybody. You're listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I'm your host, it's Paul Motley here again with another daily podcast episode for you. And today's Friday, and I did a post on my Facebook today, which is basically wishing everybody a happy Friday and asking them what they've got planned for the weekend, and just kind of like alluded to what I was going to be up to myself. First off, by saying that I wasn't going to be doing an awful lot, but then when I actually wrote it out, I thought, actually, yeah, it is still quite a bit. I may do another YouTube video if I get the inspiration and the time and everything else that I really want to do. So that's sometimes it's almost like a stumbling block. Getting around to doing YouTube videos and editing it can be a tiresome thing, which is why I love doing this podcast, because it's just so free and easy to do. It's super simple to upload, and you guys get it, and you know it's cool. Another thing that I wanted to do was update my buyers list. And when I'm saying like buyers list, I'm talking about my affiliate buyers list, right? Now, if you didn't listen to, I'll tell you what, I'm going to upload an interview that I did on someone else's Facebook group earlier today. I'm going to upload that tomorrow, so make sure you do subscribe so you don't miss it. Where basically I was talking about the effectiveness of segregating and tagging on your email list. And I've gone over this theory a little bit before on another podcast episode about having a buyers list, but specifically today in that interview I went over how I was able to massively reduce the amount of people leaving like monthly recurring programs that I promote out there, right? So let's take ClickFunnels for an example. Now, I remember probably 2 years ago, I was using all kinds of methods, everything I could possibly think of to get trials into ClickFunnels. But my follow-up really lacked. It really wasn't that good. And my churn rate, which meant the percentage of people that had a trial but then failed or quit, was around 30%. So for every 100 people that took a trial, and actually completed the trial, should I say, this is the thing, they completed the trial, 30 were dropping out. So that was really obliterating my business. I had to constantly fill up, find new ways all the time, spending shit ton of money to try and keep those funnels filled. But in the interview, I went through a process and told people how I was able to reduce it. And now I think my churn rate is like less than 1%, because people stick around because of the systems and processes I've got in place. So make sure you do listen to tomorrow's episode, and I'll make a point of trying to transfer the audio so it gets on the podcast itself. But when I'm talking about affiliate stuff, I'm talking about, in most affiliate programs, if you make a sale, they give you information, or at least they should. If they don't, then complain. The information being is like a commission report, and sometimes that'll have a name and an email address, so you now know who have bought something from you. And why not make your own list from those people? Because at the end of the day, they've gone through one of your links to buy something, and if you've got bonuses or anything or extra help you want to deliver to people, then sure, send them an email, put them into a list. Don't spam them out any old crap. Keep it really, really tight as far as what the subjects and the content that you're sending them, because that's the thing that's going to make more sense to them. It's almost like, you know, if I was an affiliate program for 2 pet products, one being a dog product, one being a cat product, right? If I just sent an email out to both of them about a dog product, well, all the cat owners are going to think, what the heck is this? And my unsubscription rate is going to go sky high, which hurts my deliverability for emails going forward. But if I only send the information about dogs or dog training or whatever it is to the dog owners, that's going to be more relevant. It's going to make more sense to them. They're going to want to open another email. They're going to click through. They're going to buy more. They're going to create more commissions. Everyone's going to be happy, right? Everyone gets what they want. So you have to be a bit smarter. And I just don't know that many people which do this level of scrutiny, if you like, as far as their business goes. They will see a commission come in and think, oh, great, lovely, nice one. I earned XYZ today. I'm going to go and post that on Facebook and tell everybody how brilliant I am. Right? No, you can do more than that. You can actually make a difference to your business going forward, because that commission might not be there next month if you don't look after it, right? The whole saying of passive income, as long as you can automate it, sure, yep, that helps a lot, but you do still have to do a little bit of work, right? Whether it's yourself or a VA or whatever it is, download your commission reports, do it on a weekly basis, monthly basis if you have to, and get someone or do it yourself and go through it all and check off those people which are still paying, check off those people which are newly paid, check off those people which are suddenly missing, cross-reference if you have to, so that you're not sending out emails to people which have quit or they don't want to, or you could even do a follow-up to try and get them back. Who knows? All sorts of stuff. But that's the sort of thing that I'm going to be up to this weekend. But again, if you want to know the full list, then head over to my Facebook profile, drop me a friend request, send me a message, why not? If there's anything specific you want to help with, then this could be the weekend that you get an answer. Anyway, I will speak to you all again tomorrow, and have a great day.